Hello, welcome to this TechBond training video. My name is Don Myers, the inventor and developer of the polymer bonding process and the TechPatch repair system. With me is Adam Bauer. He's the one that will actually do the repair. Now, let's talk about the polymer bonding process. The process bonds any polymer to itself, to any other polymer, and to almost any other substrate. In this video, we will be applying one layer of that tech wrap to the HDPE pipe. That one wrap will have a PSI rating of 4,000 PSI. That one wrap will be resistant or impervious to weather, UV rays, and corrosion. Once applied, that one layer of tech wrap will be permanent. The materials and tools necessary to repair a crack in an HDPE pipe are a drill, a sander, the cleaner and a soft cloth, our poly prep, the accelerator, our adhesive, the TPRS wrap cut to the appropriate length, a heat gun, a glue squeegee. The steps to repair a cracked HDPE pipe are: drill a hole at each end of the crack, sand the pipe, clean the pipe to remove all residue, spray the poly prep on the pipe until it looks wet, and let the poly prep dry. Spray a light mist of the accelerator over that prepared area. Cut your TPRS wrap or patch to the appropriate length. Apply the adhesive to the patch using concentric circles, and then apply a bead of the adhesive all the way around the perimeter of the patch or wrap. Apply the patch. Use the glue squeegee to apply pressure on the patch or wrap to squeeze out every excess drop of adhesive between the patch and the substrate. Apply 3 additional layers of adhesive onto the patch, and then apply a bead of the adhesive all the way around the edge, spreading the adhesive after each layer of adhesive has been applied. Spray a light mist of the accelerator on the adhesive. Use a heat gun to warm the patch to approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which by touch is very warm. This repair will resist weather, UV rays, most chemicals and fuels, and will be permanent.